It is so great. I liked it so far. It's sitting by the sofa all day. It is so beneficial and better than others. Neck massage can move up and down. My husband and I can change the height to fix our body. Vibration is good. Muscles are relaxed by vibration. Air compression is perfect for my body. It's great for supporting my back and relieving pain that I get from work. One thing that initially drew me into this chair is the amount of variability options for the massage. Not only can this chair give you different massages, but it is very easy to adjust to your body style and needs. If you have one section of your back that is particularly painful, you can set the chair to work on that specific section. In addition, having the air pads in the back and seat of the chair is a nice additional feature, as it really feels like you are getting a full massage. Looking at other massage chairs online, I am very happy that I chose this one. For the price, this massage chair gets you a lot of features that I have not been able to find in other chairs. The chair is also very well made and is comfortable to use. Having used this chair, I suggest it to anyone who may have back pain. Wow, finally, I found something worth to buy. This great product is a must-have for those who suffers with back pain. I am the guy who works 9 hours a day sitting in front of a computer. Guess what? Back pain. Yes, I have tried other options using some balm, relievers and etc. One day, I went to a store for shopping and found this product for demo, and boom. Here is something that can help me to relieve my pain. Of course, it does not relieve 100%, not because the product, but it varies for each person. In my case, it works amazing. I recommend it to everybody. It is very easy to use, and comfortable. We were at a brick-and-mortar store and saw a similar product for $399.99 that does the same thing. I am 62 inches and the neck piece on this one and the one in the brick-and-mortar store did not hit my neck sitting in a chair, however I can get it hit putting it into a recliner and laying down lower. On the plus side, it might miss my neck in the chair, but does a great job on the tops of my shoulders. Overall, we are pleased with it, and it does a great job, and I would recommend this to someone looking for a massage chair topper. First off, this thing is huge. I was not expecting it to be so big. I'm not complaining, I like it a lot so far. I was hoping it would be a little stronger on the lower back, but I'm trying different chairs, and we will see. The heat is very subtle, but okay. The neck massagers are no freaking joke. I am 5 feet 5 inches. Wish I were a tad bit taller for it. But you can always sit on a pillow. The variations are awesome, and the air options kick ass. I have 2 compressed discs, and so my back pain is constant. I'm definitely not disappointed in this so far. My back has been sore recently, so I love going to the spa massage, and each time I go there I would pay around $80 for an hour. So I was looking for a massager and I wanted to try those massage devices. Click link in description for more reviews.